So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find print spooler. Scroll down until we find print spooler. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Next, you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you do see your printer right here, then you want to click on it and then click on remove. Now you want to unplug your printer and then plug it back in again to your computer. Next, you want to click on add device. It's now going to search for your printer. It should then automatically re-add your printer again. If not, then select add a new device manually. Then you just want to go through the steps which is most applicable to your situation and then re-add your printer that way. Once you re-add your printer, you want to find let Windows manage my default printer. You want to turn this off. Next, you want to click on your printer and then click on set as default, which will then make the printer status default. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find printer, click on run, and now this will come up. You want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the printer diagnostics. You want to try all these steps right here and then see if that works.